everyone, welcome to Teaching Sparks. So as you all know, I am sharing all my B.ed lesson plans of year 2021. These lesson plans are creative in their own way as they contain demo teaching charts and very beautiful and creative blackboard work. So without any further delay, let's get started. Our today's lesson is on English, which is on the topic the luncheon. So when we make a lesson plan, on the top comes subject, topic, date, class, period and time period. Then our first point is of general aims. Here I have written 4 general aims. You can even increase the number of general aims if you wish like. Second point is of specific objectives. Here I have written 3 specific objectives. Then comes the most important part of any lesson plan. Those are the teaching aids. So as a teaching aid, I have made a demo teaching chart according to the theme of the chapter, which contain the difficult words. You can also include any other information if you wish like. The next point is of expected previous knowledge of the students. So here our students already know about the meals of the day. The next 5th point is of introduction, in which we will be asking a few questions and will be writing students' expected answers in the students' expected answer column. Then the 6th point is of statement of aim, in which we will reveal that what is a chapter which we are going to study in the class. 7th point is of presentation. In presentation, we will be discussing the whole chapter along with saying the difficult words, explaining the difficult word and also doing the model reading. We will also ask our student to read the chapter. Then we will explain the whole chapter using various teaching techniques and methods. Here in the left hand side, you can see the demo chart which I have made for this lesson plan. You can take the reference from here and also make anything other than that which you find creative. The next step is of generalization, in which the teacher generalizes that the students have acquired the knowledge about the chapter. 9th point is of recapitulation, in which I have asked a few questions to recap my chapter. And then the 10th point is of concluding statement, in which we will conclude that today we have studied a chapter in English named the luncheon. At last we will give homework to our students, and then at the end comes the teacher signature and the supervisor signature. Thank you for watching my video.